Hey guys, welcome to another quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to see what the first thing that you ever watched on Netflix was. So first thing you need to do is log into your Netflix account on a desktop computer. This doesn't work on mobile just yet. And then click on the user on that account that you want to check this for. So I'm going to click on mine here. And then once you are here, go to the upper right-hand corner where you see your channel icon there. And then once you are there, go and click on account. And then scroll down once you're on your account page and then go to where you see viewing activity. This may be a little bit scary for a lot of people. And then once you're here on your activity page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. And if you have had a Netflix account for a long time, you will have a ton of stuff to look at. So go to the very bottom and see what the first thing is at the bottom of the list. Or to make it easier, you could even go to download all here and it'll download a CSV or an Excel file. And you can open up that table to go down and figure out a little easier what the first thing that you watched was. But you can go through here and look at all of your viewing history and see what the first thing that you ever watched on Netflix was. So let me know in the comment section below, what was the date and what was the first thing you ever watched on Netflix? Out of curiosity. This is a new account. I changed over payment. Now, if you have changed over either emails or payment stuff throughout the process, as far as changing payments, it may not go all the way back, but it will go back as far as it can go. So it's really neat to see kind of what the first thing that you watched is. Maybe even embarrassing per se, but go to the very bottom, download that Excel file, that table, whatever you want to call it, and see what the first thing you ever watched was, and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys, as always, for watching the video. If you thought this was a fun one, hit the like button, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.